You are going to love the 2020 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, daytime running lights, fog lights. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, transmission temperature gauge, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.